Hello everyone, I am Nitin Cheke, student of Brisang Institute Pune, and my today's video topic is oxygen. In this video, I will discuss about what is oxygen and what are the uses of the oxygen. We all know that the oxygen is an important element of the atmosphere which help for breathing. We cannot live without breathing or without oxygen. In fact, all the organisms in this earth, none of those can be survive without oxygen. So first of all, we need to know the how oxygen is formed in the atmosphere. There are various processes involved in the formation of the oxygen in the atmosphere. Generally, the oxygen is come onto the earth from the universe, from the all parts of the universe, and it is comes in the form of a meteorite. So other than breathing, there are too many uses of the oxygen that we are not aware of. So in this video I will discuss about that different uses of the oxygen other than breathing. So there are various uses of the oxygen. First of all, oxygen is very important for the aquatic animals, as we all know that the oxygen is useful for all the living animals on the land, as well as it is also important for the all the aquatic animals, because if there is a deficiency of the oxygen in the water, it increases the acidity of the water, and because of this the water become poisonous and it will produce the harmful effects on the aquatic animals. It may causes the death of the aquatic animals. Oxygen also useful in the to maintaining the ozone layer, as we all know that the ozone layer is protect us from the harmful infrared radiations, UV radiations, ultraviolet radiations. So the ozone layer is formed when the ultraviolet rays are strike on the atmospheric oxygen, and it causes the formation of the ozone layer, and the molecular formula of the ozone is O3. And if there is a deficiency of the oxygen on into the atmosphere, it cannot form the ozone layer, and it causes the leakage of the harmful ultraviolet radiations into the atmosphere. And we all know that these UV rays are very harmful. It can cause the various diseases like cancer, skin cancers, etc. Then oxygen is also useful in the treatment of the cancer. Oxygen can kill the various cancerous cells. Then oxygen is also very useful in the therapeutic process, various therapeutic processes. Then if we process the deep breathing, it remove the various harmful bacteria from our body. Then oxygen is also useful in various industrial processes, as oxygen is very reactive element. It can use for cutting of the various metals. Then oxygen also used in the manufacturing of the chemicals such as hydrogen peroxide and nitric acid. Ethylene oxide is used as an antifreeze agent, and it is also formed because of the oxygen. Oxygen is also useful in the process of welding, as we know that there is a high temperature curve is required in the welding, and this high temperature curve is formed because of the oxygen acetylene, and oxygen acetylene is a compound of oxygen. Then oxygen is also useful in the carbon monoxide and carbon dioxide poisoning, as we all know that the carbon monoxide is very dangerous gas, because carbon monoxide, it is a very dangerous, so it can also causes the death of the person. So for the treatment of the carbon monoxide gas poisoning, oxygen can be useful. Then it is also useful for the carbon dioxide poisoning. Then oxygen is also useful as a emergency oxygen tanks. There are emergency oxygen tanks which are used only in emergency conditions, and these tanks are present into the aeroplanes, then hospitals, then uh, various other places where there is like a petrol pump. If there is an emergency condition, then oxygen is useful. Then oxygen is also useful in the burning process, as we know that we cannot burn anything without oxygen. For example, if we take the match stick, so this spark is combined with the oxygen for produce the fire. So oxygen is also used in the rocket fuel. This burning property of the oxygen is used in the rocket for burning the fuel of the rocket. Then oxygen is also used in the various automobile processes. It is also used in the mines, because oxygen is a very explosive. So by using this explosive property of the oxygen, it is used for blasting the rocks. Oxygen is the element which is comprises of a 21% of the atmospheric volume. Oxygen deficiency is a very dangerous, because if there is a deficiency of the oxygen into the person's body, it can causes the death of the person. So the high amount of the oxygen can be inserted into the body of the person in the hospital if there is a deficiency of the oxygen into the body. So oxygen is important for the survival of the all the living organism, not only all the organisms living on the land, but also in case of all the organisms which are living in the water. The energy which is required for our day-to-day life, day-to-day activities, is produced when the oxygen present in our blood burns the food consumed by the earth. So in order to burn the food that we consume, the energy is required, and that energy is formed only because of the oxygen. So in this video we have discussed about what is oxygen and what are the different uses of the oxygen, because generally we know that we only think that oxygen is only used for the breathing and it is only useful for living life, but there are several different uses of the oxygens that we have discussed in this video. That's all about oxygen. Thank you.